At Auben Realty, we're committed to our investors, and it's our mission to manage investors' properties better than anyone has before. The traditional property management structure is flawed. Property managers are often caught in the middle of investors and residents, leaving both with negative experiences. Traditionally, there are two models for single-family property management companies. There's department-based, which has a department for maintenance, leasing, marketing, and others, and communication between them is limited. And there's portfolio-based, which will assign one person to handle all activities from accounting, to leasing, to maintenance, to reporting for many, many properties. And that's why we've created the pod system, a smarter approach to property management. You might be thinking, what's a pod? Something from a farm or a sci-fi movie? Not quite. Our pods are teams of real estate professionals who manage Auben properties better than any other model. Let's meet the pod. The pod is formed around a basic idea. Whether you're a resident or an investor, the happier you are, the longer you stay. This is the Investor Account Manager, or IAM. If you're an investor, this is your new best friend. They'll help you make the best decisions for your real estate investments, and they'll pass on information to the Resident Experience Manager. This next pod member, the REM, is not a leasing agent, so they're not worried about getting a resident to sign a lease. Instead, they want to make sure our resident experience is as good as it can possibly be, so they'll be the first contact for our residents. Also in the pod is the maintenance coordinator, who works with both the IAM and the REM to make sure the properties are well taken care of. Next is the inspector, or project manager, that gathers information on the properties in the pod to report back to the IAM and REM. In addition to these members, all of our pods are supercharged with a full-blown sales department full of local market experts who know nearby area real estate better than anyone else. Our pods are symbiotic. Each role feeds the others, and the goal is simple: keep both our residents and our investors happy without any compromise. Our pod teams have certain core characteristics. IAMs are direct, respectful communicators who are accountable to making sure our investors get all the information they need. REMs are solution-oriented people with a high sense of urgency and a results-focused attitude. And our sales department is made up of enthusiastic go-getters full of local market and finance knowledge. All team members possess underdog DNA, which allows them to push through difficult situations regardless of obstacles or interruptions. So, what are the benefits to Auben's pod system? Simply put, pods help property owners make the best decisions about their investments without red tape or handoffs, and pods give residents quality service that vastly improves their satisfaction. Auben Pods is an expandable model that can be tailored to fit the needs of local markets. Pods will help investors expand their investments and scale into investing in exciting new properties so they can continue to build their real estate investment portfolio. At the end of the day, it's all about one thing. The happier you are, the longer you stay. And with Auben's Pods, we think you'll want to stick around.